Hi friends, in this video I'm gonna be walking through how to change panel's position to left or to right. So here's my current panel edge position. Now let's see how to change this panel edge panel edge alignment. So go to your phone settings. In your Samsung phone settings, scroll down and tap on display. In display, scroll down and here tap on edge panels. Here, tap on handle. Now tap on position. Now you can easily change your edge panel position left or right. And you can easily drag this arrow to move it bottom or top, just like so. So this is how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.